Bitcoin is pumping once again, ladies and gentlemen, and Jack Dorsey just said something that is going to be pretty interesting for people to look back at in a couple of years. Let's take a look at what exactly is going on with Bitcoin. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Crypto RJ. We have a lot of good news today, a lot of interesting things. Let's get right into it, guys. Now, first off, Bitcoin is at $115,000, and I feel like people don't understand that we're only $10,000 away, or about $11,000 away from all-time highs, which, guys, that could happen very, very quickly. I mean, we're talking literally very, very easily. Okay, now I want to go over a couple of things, guys. First off, today we're obviously up 1.5%. In the past week, we're up about 3.5%, 4%, and we're up 5.5% in the past month. Obviously, this is the month that we were supposed to see astronomical gains, only up October. But yeah, we all got donkey decked for the most part. Unless you held Bitcoin and ETH, if you were mainly holding alts, you got destroyed. So maybe that's a wake-up call to change up your strategy a little bit. Okay, now we're up 71% in the past year. So this is also getting interesting because we've been creeping up from about 65% back up to 71% in the 1 year chart. I am going to be looking very closely at the 1 year gain overall because we're going to get to, a land of 87K for the 1 year, right? When we get into like mid-November, end of November, it's going to start to get pretty silly, right? The gains are going to be looking like, again, unless we have a crazy pump, it's not going to be looking that good for the 1 year chart, but it's going to be interesting to see where that goes. Now, some more bullish news, guys. Bitcoin Hyper, the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, has now raised $25 million. Very cool to see and very important for this project, guys. They now have a multi-million-dollar marketing fund, a multi-million-dollar, English treasury, and they have $2.5 million for exchange listings, guys. I think they're easily going to have a bunch of exchange listings, and in my opinion, guys, this coin is going to pop up. If you don't already have a bag, leave a link down below. All you gotta do is connect your wallet over here on this widget, boom, bada bing, and you can go ahead and buy. Now, Jack Dorsey says Bitcoin will be worth more than $1 million by 2030. Now, this person says he's not crazy for saying that. If you understand liquidity cycles, credit expansion, and how debt-based money keeps inflating, a 1 million in Bitcoin by 2030 isn't fantasy. It's math and logic, both catching up with broken fiat currency. Very, very interesting. Now, guys, if we have $1 million Bitcoin by 2030, that would be pretty freaking insane. Now, guys, I want people to understand this. Bitcoin is only 9% away from a new all-time high. That's a lot closer than people think, guys. Let's be real here. 9%. We've seen Bitcoin crash 9% recently, right? I'm pretty sure it was a 9% or 7% candle that it crashed. You guys don't think it could do, an up 9%? I think it can definitely happen, okay? Now, Rumble is going to be launching a Bitcoin tipping feature for its 51 million users. This is pretty cool as well. I think when more streaming platforms or even YouTube or whatever, like Twitch, Kick or whatever, when they start implementing this, I think it's going to be pretty freaking cool. Imagine you can just have your crypto wallet on your Twitch stream or whatever, and people could just donate to it. I think that'd be very, very interesting, okay? Now, Bulgaria sold 213,000 Bitcoin in 2017, which is retarded. At today's price, it could have wiped out their entire national debt. They missed it, guys. Again, anyone that sells Bitcoin, they usually end up being a statistic or a news headline years down the line. I feel like if you just hold Bitcoin, you're going to do well. Now, 98% probability of another 25% basis points rate cut at Wednesday's FOMC meeting. So, guys, this Wednesday and this week, we're going to have a lot of things going on. It is going to be pretty interesting. I do think we're going to have a lot of volatility. We're going to have to wait and find out what happens. Now, guys, the hard skill is patience. Again, kind of talking back to the Bulgaria thing, the best thing to do right now is just buy and hold. But guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.